Alright, so the common mistakes of business owners or entrepreneurs. So if you are a business owner, so try to listen. Baka meron tayong pwedeng i-correct sa ating management or leadership skill. Okay? So there are 8. So 8 mistakes na ginagawa ng mga business owners. Okay, so number 1, start na natin. Number 1 mistake ng mga business owner is you don't fire people. Right? So, di ba minsan na ito kasi one of the toughest roles of an entrepreneur is to fire people. Sabi mo, okay, tama na, I will not renew you anymore. No more, wala na renewal ng contract or last month mo na. Di ba kasi minsan may mga empleyado tayo nakikita na they are not, working well or tingin natin hindi siya fit sa business mo, sa organization. It doesn't necessarily mean naman na wala siyang contribution. Or wala siyang skill or siyang talent. Meron siya, kaya lang baka hindi match dun sa requirement mo, dun sa competencies na you are looking for or you need or your company needs, diba? So, minsan hindi match eh. So, you need to fire people as a business owner. Kailangan mo i-fire. Kailangan mo sabihin mo, tama na, okay? So, last month mo na to. Mahirap gawin yon, pero as business owner, no one will do that but you, okay? You need to have that tough mind, okay? Your tough decision to remove employee. Okay? So, that's one. So, maraming mga empleyado, pinagtsatsagaan ng ilang taon na, ganun pa rin. So, kung binibigyan kanya ng stress, okay? Tanggalin. Parang kailan lang, sabi sa mga assistants ko, if you are giving me stress, Doc, may nagpapa-stress po sa yung assistants? Meron. Biniting ko sila, sabi ko, alam nyo, kaya ako maraming mga assistants, mga 10 yan siguro eh, para mawala stress ko, doing all the details, pagkuha ng pera, pag-deposit, and everything. But, kung ika-stress ko rin naman yan, pagpa-follow up sa inyo, I will fire you. Diba? Pwede naman eh. Alright? So, okay, so, alright, so that's one. Okay, so you don't fire people, that's your big mistake. Okay, hindi match, not working, out. Okay, second, you are not deciding. Tomorrow I'll be in Valenzuela, so I'll be talking to the owner of one company. I'm a consultant po nila ako for 6 months. So I will be discussing the role of a manager or the role of CEO as a business owner. So isa doon sa di-discuss ko yung you have to decide. There are major and minor decisions. Kailangan mo mag-decide on what marketing strategy are you going to do? Are you going to expand or not? Are you going to increase your people or not? You make a decision. Okay? Are you allowing your employees to have this flexi time or one sources time? So you need to, make a decision. Okay? So, hindi pwedeng pinapabayaan mo na lang na, yan na, bahala na sila kung gusto nila mag-leave, kung gusto nila. No, it can't be that way. Ang decision na gagaling sa'yo because you are the business owner. Right? Third thing na mali na ginagawa ng mga business owner, you don't have empathic concern. Ano yung empathic concern? Ito yung in dealing with your people, in dealing with people, sabi nila, kailangan meron kang empathic concern sa tao mo. Yung, for example, let me concretize. Alam mo na confine yung wife niya, husband niya, anak niya last week. So, nagkita kayo, nagkasalubong kayo sa hallway, okay, sa lobby. So, did you ever ask? Did you care to ask kung kumusta na yung wife, kumusta na yung anak mo? Diba? So, empathic concern. Okay, so pag nakita mo medyo malungkot, what's your problem? Tutulong ba ako? That's concern eh. You initiate conversation. You initiate a brief conversation with your employee kung what's going on, di ba? Dapat pakita tayo ng concern. So, makita mo kung pwede yung empleyado mo o what's wrong, di ba? Isa sa mga, may nabasa ako 2 days ago, weekly daw, meron kang at least one people na intentional na kakausapin mo. For example, kunwari hindi mo sinasadya, pero may listahan ka na. May listahan ka ng, for example, this month, if you have 100 employees, this month, 10 ang kakausapin mo. Intentional yon. So, akala nila, ay, nasalubong ko si boss. Pero hindi, sinalubong mo talaga siya para lang makausap mo siya. That's empathic concern. Para lang, kumustahin siya, or you, kumusta yung bago mong assignment mo sa department nyo. Di ba? So, at least yung, yung empleyado mo, nararamdaman niya, may concern si sir, may concern si ma'am sa akin. Wala yung basta na lang work. Diba? That's the mistake eh. Kaya minsan walang ma-develop na loyalty may empleyado sa kumpanya eh. Minsan as business owner, hinahanapan natin ng loyalty. Sabi niya, where is your loyalty to the company? Pero pag hindi mo mal nga alam kung kumusta na, nag-birthday nga siya eh, pinagalitan mo pa eh. Paano ka naman niya magkakaroon ng loyalty? Di ba? Hindi nga makaalis, birthday niya. Di ba? Alright? So, that's your mistake. Wala kang empathic concern. Kaya hirap na hirap kang mag-develop ng loyalty among your employees. Okay? Next, number 4. Na mistake of a business owner. You are not expanding. Ayan na yung opportunity, hindi ka pa nag-expand. Eto na eh, nandyan na, di ba? Nagkaroon na ng new establishment, dumami na yung may voucher na, o school. So, ang dami ng opportunity, you are not expanding. Parang totong school na hawak ko ngayon, napupuntahan natin. Ano lang siya na basic ed. Pero ang dami kasing graduates ng basic ed, isa lang yung college. So sabi ko, magtayo na tayo ng college. Kasi that's an opportunity. That's an opportunity for us to expand. So sabi ko sa owner. So next year, mag-apply na sila ng college. Punta ko na sa SEC, tas application sa CHED para mag-offer ng edu, BSB, IT, something like that. Mga different courses. So you need to expand. As a business owner, it's a big mistake pag di ka nag-expand. Lalo kung nandiyan yung opportunity. There must be some changes na nangyayari sa organization mo. Kasi pagka wala, hindi moving, di ba? Pati yung empleyado mo, mabubore. Boring kasi yun lang ginagawa nila. Yun lang yung nakausap, di ba? But you are expanding. Meron kang energy na dala-dala. Ikaw mismo as business owner na energize ka pati yung mga tauhan mo. Kasi meron kayong bagong politikan, bagong inaabangan. Okay? Right? So, yan. So, next, number 5, big mistake is, ayoko yung term na nandito, pero ganito na lang. Yung talking bad at the back of your employee. So, yun, kapatid. Okay? As a boss. Kasi mawawala ng tiwala sa mga tauhan mo. Kasi isipin nila, kung siya nga, pag nakatalikod, ano sinasabi ni Sir, ni Ma'am pag tayo pa, it's the same thing. Kung pag nakatalikod, kahit sinong tao, namabalik. Kaya, again and again, ayan isa sa mga dahilan, bakit hindi makadevelop ng, ba't walang loyalty mga tao sa'yo at sa iyong company? Kasi alam nila, nagsasalita ka ng masama against any employee behind them. Di ba? Na hindi nila naririnig eh. Hindi nila naririnig, nagsasalita ka. That's bad, di ba? Okay? Alright, so, punta naman tayo sa finances. So, next mistake ng isang business owner, yung spending for personal expenses, yung pera. Pinanta-travel. Ayan nga isa sa, alam mo, marami na nagpapahold sa atin sa business. So, ayan yung mga problem nila. They are spending money for vacation, for food, for house renovation, pero hindi naman na nila dapat kasi ang rule nga ni Grant Cardone, 40-40-20. 20% lang ang dapat mo ini-spend. So kung kulang ang 20%, okay. E di, sipagan mo pa para tumaas sa revenue, para 20% tumaas siya. Okay? Alright, so next mistake of entrepreneur is you are not delegating. So, ikaw lahat gumagawa, di ba? So, ikaw na mula doon. So, you delegate, di ba? Let your people exercise their skills. Let your people do the task. Dapat ang president nakatingin lang, contract. Nakikita nga ng mga ginagawa. That's the work of the CEO. Dapat ang waiting ng what's going on. Pero you should know the system. You should know the operation. But it doesn't mean you'll be working on that operation. Diba? Alam mo yung nangyayari sa marketing, alam mo yung sa tao mo, department mo na yan, sa finances, alam mo lahat. Pero you're not doing it. Okay? So, marami sa tao, sila
sa phone.
Diba? Ba't ka pa nag-hire ng tao? Ito hindi nagagawa. Okay? Last, yung micromanagement. Ito yung sabi ko kanina na may nakahara sa akin sa big company. Bakit umalis mga nila empleyado? Sabi ko nga, one of the reasons, we micromanage people. Alam niyo, aside from money, gusto rin naman ng tao, matap yung skill niya, yung creativity aspect niya, kailangan nagagawa niya rin, matatap din yun. Nagagawa niya rin yung duty niya. Nag-iisip din siya, nakakapag-design siya, nakakapag-plan siya. Kung lahat sinabi mo na, you micromanage people, kaya wala nang na-develop sa kanya yung potential na nanatiling nakatago, yung skill niya, nanatiling nakabox. Kasi nga, yung micromanage din. Lahat sinasabi, detalye, 8 to 9, itong gawin mo 9 to 10, eto, ganito mo gawin yan, ganito. Wala na. So, hindi niya na ma-develop yung kanyang potential. Tuloy ikaw, as boss, wala ka nakukuha bago, wala ka nakukuha new idea. Diba? Kasi nga, sinasabi mo lahat, hindi mo sila tinatanong, you micromanage. That's one of your biggest mistakes as business owner. Okay? Alright? So, marami pa tayong mga biggest mistakes. Ako, meron akong business, meron akong, not that big business. Pero minsan nakikita ko rin to na may mga mistakes din tayo. May mga mistakes din tayo. So, we are improving. And you as business owner, it's high time for you to improve. Okay? So, tingnan mo rin, try to review ang dapat areas mo dapat improve. Okay? And if you need consultant or coach for that, message mo lang ako. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lang kaibigan natin, kahit OFW dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabagot mula dating buhay. Thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day. And let's go, let's go.